Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the font text size on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. This is a super useful feature if you find text too small to read comfortably or if you prefer a more compact display. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. This icon is typically found on your home screen or in your app drawer and serves as the gateway to all your device customization options. Once you tap it, you'll be taken to the main settings menu where you can adjust various aspects of your phone. Next, look for and tap on the option labeled Display and Touch. This section houses all the settings related to how your screen looks and responds to your interactions. It's where you can control everything from brightness and wallpaper to more advanced display features. Tapping this option will open up a new menu with several display-related settings. Now, within the Display and Touch menu, tap on Display Size and Text. This particular setting gives you control over both the overall size of items on your screen and the size of the text itself. It's designed to make your device more accessible and comfortable to use, whether you need larger text for better readability or smaller text to fit more content on the screen at once. Once you're in the display size and text section, you'll notice the font size option with a slider directly underneath it. This slider is your key to customizing how large or small text appears across your entire device, including in apps, menus, and notifications. The current position of the slider shows your existing font size setting. To make the font size smaller, simply adjust the slider to the left. As you drag it, you'll see the preview text above change in real time, giving you an immediate sense of how the new size will look. This is helpful if you want a more compact interface or prefer to see more information at a glance without scrolling as much. Conversely, if you want to make the font size bigger, adjust the slider to the right. Moving it in this direction increases the text size, which can significantly improve readability, especially if you have difficulty reading smaller text or simply prefer a bolder, more prominent font across your phone's interface. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the font size on your Google Pixel 8 Pro to match your preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.